Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers, and today we're going to show you how to turn this simple little mug, plain little mug, into this. Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to change this right here into an awesome custom mug using our stickers, our Flash Custom stickers. We have them, they are now available on the website, and today we're gonna be using one of these stickers to make a tumbler. So it's Father's Day and my wife has a cool one. She has this awesome little mini tumbler, because this is kind of like me. I'm big and tall, she's short and little. So she has this awesome tumbler that she made with a sticker, with one of our stickers, and it's really on there. It's good, washable, what's that thing called, dishwasher safe and stuff like that. So Daddy's gonna make his own custom tumbler. So we sell these stickers in 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5, and this is called a die cut. So this one is cut to the logo, but we also have square, rectangle, circle, oval, a bunch of different shapes that you can have. So this is kind of like a rectangle, but this right here messes it up, but this is kind of like a rectangle. But we also have another video on our channel where we put these stickers on our car, because they're also decals. We put them on our car and they've been holding up great. They look well. So all you have to do with our stickers, I know somebody said that there was some type of like transfer or whatever that tape was that we used in the last video for the cars. But the only reason why we did that is because whenever you peel them off, this is the backing how they'll come. So they'll come on a big sheet, because you have to order a minimum of 50. So they're gonna come on a big sheet. We're not gonna cut them out. And all you're gonna do is come in here, and I'll show you on camera, you're just gonna peel it. That's it. So the reason why we had something over it is so that we could apply it to the glass on our car. That's all. This is how the stickers come. I don't know who that guy was, but that's, you know, you don't need a transfer to put these stickers on anything. So all you're gonna do is peel it off. Super simple. And remember, this is breathable vinyl, so any bubbles, I hope I get some bubbles. Any bubbles that do want, little pesky bubbles that do want to show up, are going to be easily pressed out. Okay, so you see how sticky that was? It definitely wants to stick. So we're going to take our mug here. You see this nasty pesky spot? I kind of want to cover that, so I might cover that with the A. Cover that with the A. Make sure our height is good. It doesn't matter because it's just for me. But if you don't know, I am an avid coffee drinker. Iced coffee is my thing. Mocha frappes and stuff like that. So that's my favorite. Same thing with Shelly. We love coffee. We love iced coffee. That's our favorite. So we're gonna see it's super simple. Gonna put that on there. You can always lift it back up. It's very easy to work with. Don't be afraid if you think you're gonna tear it, you're not. Peel this up a little bit because of this section right here. Peel this up. Again, I'm doing this on camera while trying to film. Let's see. There we go. Like this. Like this. Like I said, Shelly, she's really good at all this type of stuff. I'm not the best. So if there are any bubbles, they'll just push right out. See, like that little bubble right there is trying to be there. Just gonna push it out. And again, for all you tumbler makers, you guys are professionals. You guys know how to do this a lot better than me. But there it is. It is on there. That's not going anywhere. Now again, this isn't sublimation, so it's not into the cup, but as you can see, both cups, we're able to make a really quick tumbler. Only took seconds. Like I said, the sheets come with a minimum of 50. So If this is the thing that you're in, if this is the business that you're in, creating custom tumblers and stuff like that, you can definitely do it with our sticker decals. It's on there, hot water, cold water, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some coffee in this and show you guys the final result. So we already got our ice. Baby, I'm sorry. I used up all the ice, don't be mad at me. We've got our ice. Now we're gonna get our coffee. So I like both. If I need like an extra jolt, I'll definitely drink the cold brew Starbucks. But for like regular everyday coffee, I like my Dunkin' Donuts. And then this right here, man, this creamer is only a little bit left. That's why we have 2 of them. Man, this creamer right here, we are not sponsored, but this right here, this right here, ooh, this is the best creamer I've ever had in my life. So I think I'm gonna go with, you guys leave a comment down below of which type of coffee you like. I think I'm gonna go, I haven't eaten anything, so I think I'm gonna go with the medium roast Starbucks with the Chobani, with the, what is that? Chobani? I don't know, but I'm gonna go with this creamer with this coffee. You guys gotta make sure it's not expired. Okay. I know some people may do creamer first or coffee first. I don't know. Leave a comment down below which one you do. I like to do coffee first. So my coffee, we're gonna go with a big cup today. Bam. And since there's only a little bit left in here, let's just go ahead and pour it all. Oh man, is that enough? Let's stir it up. Let's see if we need any more creamer. Yeah, I think that's a good color. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. As you guys can see, it's on there. It's not going anywhere. Like I said, this is dishwasher safe. It's the same sticker that we have over there on my car. Same sticker, so these things are weatherproof. They can really be beaten up. So please go ahead, order the stickers. If you create custom tumblers and stuff like that and you've been using sublimation, try these stickers, you know? It gives it depth. I like the die cut. Like I said, we have different types of cuts: circle cut, rectangle cut, square cut with soft edges, you know, rounded edges. So please check it out. You guys can definitely maximize your business and offer 2 different types of products. So for all the tumbler makers out there, all the people who use sublimation, check out our stickers. All right, they're on the website right now. Minimum of 50, but I think it's like 57 bucks for 50 stickers. So it's no. 60 something bucks. I don't know. I need to go on the website. I haven't looked in a while, but it's definitely worth it because you get a lot of stickers for a very low price. And then you could even sell the stickers for a profit. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to watch all of our other content so that you can grow your business. All right, guys, be basic. Peace.